What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to this video on Rocky Rabbit's Enigma wallet passphrase. Alright, so all you have to do here is to arrange them in their order and earn 2.5 million points. Alright, so and every day for the first timer, they earn 2.5 ton. This means the first person to get it correctly every day will have the ton. So it's not everybody that can get it. So I hope everybody is clear about that now. Now before then, you can see go to our mine. Then you can see to this daily combo, which include invite one friend, weightlifting, and dodging practice. Alright, so I've already made a video about that. You can check through our channel. So let's head to our enigma now. Now we need to start arranging them in their order now. So kindly watch carefully. Let's go. Number one is seek, two is valid, three is guarding, four is barely, five is victory, six is hand, seven is hurdle, eight is question, nine is army, 10 is universe as it is, then 11 is erupt, then 12 is ceiling. Alright, so we need to click on validate now. In case you're having any problem with this, you can join our Telegram channel, the link in the video description will assist you then. So click on validate. Alright, so enigma reward, we've earned 2.5 million coins now. Then click on claim enigma prize. So this is all for today. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on our notification for more updates. Thanks for watching.